How to fix automatic brightness increase for Instagram on iPhone. If you've noticed that your iPhone's brightness automatically increases when you open Instagram, you're not alone. This is a common issue, and today I'll show you exactly how to fix it. Instagram has a way of adjusting your screen's brightness based on its content, but sometimes it seems to get a bit too bright, especially when scrolling through photos and videos. This can be annoying, especially if in a dimly lit room. But don't worry, I've got you covered with a quick fix. First, go to your settings app on your iPhone. This is where we're going to adjust some settings to stop the automatic brightness increase on Instagram. In the settings menu, scroll and tap on accessibility. This is where you'll find features that control how your phone interacts with the screen and environment. Once you're on accessibility, tap on display and text size. Here you'll see an option for auto brightness, as you can find here. Simply toggle the option off. These settings adjust your brightness automatically based on the surrounding lighting conditions. If it's turned on, Instagram may be using it to increase brightness when you open the app. Simply turn it on. And this is how you fix the automatic brightness increase on Instagram. I hope this tip helped you get a more consistent viewing experience.